Picos, Czech Pilsners, Rosemary Fig Crisps, Pickled Okra, Pate, Cotes-du-Rhone, Humboldt Fog, Fig Jam, Horseradish Mustard, dried cherries, walnuts, Cambazola, dried apricots, pickled red onions, Honeycomb, bacon-wrapped dates, aged Manchego, dried cranberries, Croissant, Gherkins, fresh figs, aged balsamic vinegar, Croissant, blue cheese, Comt, Chorizo, sopressata, smooth goat cheese, cashews, honey, olives, dry cured sausage, triple cream brie, Balsamic.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.